Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations are commencing from tomorrow, that is from 12th of December 2020. I am talking about class 11th students. Dear students, you were badly hit by pandemic COVID-19, or we can say due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Schools remained shut for the whole academic session, and you remained connected to your teachers, or you are connected to your teachers virtually, not physically. And this digital platform can't be the substitute for the actual mode of teaching. Their students in these days, or we can say you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, you are living in the age where competition has reached to the skies, or we can say the competition is at its peak. Extra efforts and self-study can make you are academically very good, or to the better, comparatively better if you put extra efforts. Dear students of class 11th, today we are dealing with very important topic in your political science, that is the writ of habeas corpus. Dear students, you are enjoying fundamental rights, no doubt, but sometimes these are being violated by any government authority or government itself. For that, you have to do something, or you are being given by the constitution a remedy to go against the violation of the fundamental rights. Dear students, writ of habeas corpus is a legal remedial measure by which a person can challenge it is challenge his or her illegal detention. So you have to keep in the mind that a writ of habeas corpus is a legal remedial procedure by which a person can challenge his or her illegal detention. The, the writ is of Greek this Latin origin. It means to bring the body or present the body before the court. Dear students, sometimes a person is illegally detained by government or by the government authority, and he or she can challenge that illegal detention. She can file petition before the court or before the judge that my illegal is my detention is illegal. The court orders the arresting authority to present the body in the court, and then there is check it whether the detention is lawful or unlawful. If the detention is unlawful, the person is released from the detention. Dear students, I am repeating the things for you. We are enjoying fundamental rights, and sometimes these fundamental rights are violated by government or any other authority, and a person is illegally detained. And a writ of habeas corpus is a legal remedial measure to to challenge the illegal detention in the court. A person or a prisoner or any other person on his behalf or her behalf petition before the court or before the judge that the detention is illegal, and the court orders the authority who has arrested the person to present the person before the court or bring the person before the court, and his or her detention is checked whether the detention is lawful or unlawful. If it is unlawful, the person is released from the detention. So you have to keep in the mind that the habeas corpus is a remedial measure, legal remedial measure to challenge one's detention in the court. If his detention then proves illegal, he or she is being released. So sometimes the fundamental rights are being violated and a person is being detained by any authority, whether by government or any governmental authority, and his or her detention is then checked by writ of habeas corpus. A prisoner himself or herself can file that, or a person acting on his behalf can file that petition before the court, and then the court checks whether his detention is lawful or unlawful. If it proves unlawful, then the person is released from the jail or the illegal detention. So you have to keep it means it is a Latin word which means to bring the body or present the body before the court to check his or her detention. Now it's Kashmiri. Dear students, use writ of habeas corpus is Latin word. Hidra among matlab go to bring the body union sa in a person or the present a body pesh करियन से सो इंसान युस से डिटेन गोमुत छ जेलस मज तो यह आसान तेल अख तरीक यानी अख इलाज कथ लीगली तौर कानूनी तौर छ यह इलाज आसान अगर कंस इंसानस इलीगली डिटेन करान छ थावन छ जेलस मज सह हेक पत फाइल पेटिशन करित यानी पाने हेक सह त्रयित कोर्टस मज या तसंद बदल हेक त्रयित वकील कि फलान इंसान हसा अरेस्ट गोमुत यह हसा अम सं डिटेंशन यानी अम सं अरेस्टिंग यह हसा इलीगल यह हसा लीगल कह कुन सातन गवर्नमेंट या गवर्नमेंट कह अथॉरिटी अकिस इंसानस चाहे मर्द या जन तस निवान अरेस्ट कर थावन जेलस मज चूंकि यह फंडामेंटल राइट सह हेक जेलस मज इलीगली रूजित कह सह करान पत अत चैलेंज पाने कर चैलेंज या अम सं जरिए कर या वकील कर पत कर कोर्टस मज चैलेंज कोर्ट या जज तत ऑर्डर दिवान यह पर्सन यह शख्स करियन से कोर्टस ब्रखिन पेश कोर्टस ब्रखिन ये पेश गसान तत यह वुचन कि अमिस डिटेन कोर्मुत ने बंद थोमुत कुन जेलस मज यह लॉफुल यह कानूनी तौर अत बंद कि अनलॉफुल यह गैर कानूनी तौर बंद अगर यह गैर कानूनी तौर तत बंद उस यह तत रिलीज करने तो यह रिट ऑफ हाबेस कॉर्पस थवन याद यह हसा रेमेडी इलाज अगर इंसान बे कानूनी इलाज अगर इंसान डिटेन करने गैर कानूनी तरीकस मज पत बंद करने. Dear students, this is all about the writ of habeas corpus. Hope you might have grasped the concept. You have to keep in the mind that writ of habeas corpus is a Latin word which means to bring or to present the body before the court. If a person is detained illegally, in illegally he is detained or she is detained, and writ of habeas corpus is a legal remedial measure to challenge one's detention, and then the court orders to present the body or bring the body before the court, and his or her detention is verified. If his or her detention proves uh, unlawful, then he or she is released. Hope you might have grasped the concept. You should see these things also on your political science reference books for clarification. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006 or 67 7006 671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and within short duration of time your query or confusion shall be cleared if you forward your query. Better is to put extra efforts by remaining busy with the books. When you put extra efforts, when you do extra hours, you can crack every period, and these examinations are meager things. Thanks. Be balanced.